This is the Iron Trader. It is Thursday morning. So as usual, we are going to review the crude oil and natural gas. Now, the EIA report on natural gas will be out at 10:30 this morning. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the old crude oil here on daily chart. Now, we'll take a look here at the price channels. Okay, your top is 74.73 and your bottom now is 66.80. Okay, that is the trading range that it's going in between. Now, I've always been pointing out this candle here. This was the double bottom here. You had 66.82, and then we had a higher low here at 67.03. Then it ran up real nicely. Okay, when it sold off, it went below that to 66.80, but it closed up at 67.34, which is fine. What I don't like here is you look at this candle here. See, this could be a possible bear flag. See how that is when you go from the bottom on down. See, that could very well be a bear flag here. So we got to be very careful here. Okay, so if this is sells off here, what you want to do is you obviously want to watch today's low here so far. You're sitting at 68.14. Then we want to watch this low here. You're sitting at 67.15. And then your big retest there sitting at 66.80. Now, if that is lost, then we're going to come to this candle here at 65.65. You got 65.38, 64.36, and then your big retest here at 63.64. Now, on the upside, it really needs to close back above this 8 SMA. But you can see how that 8 SMA now is rolling over and keeping that price right on down. So your upside resistance, first one is going to be 69.95. And then the other big resistance here is going to be 71.06. That is your 21 SMA. Now, if you can get above, then we'll look at these candles right here. You're looking at 72.33. You have 73.28. And then we have your 50 SMA here sitting at 73.96. And then obviously your price channel at 74.73. And your 100 SMA here sitting at 74.84. But you see how everything is rolling over here. See, I've been pointing out this 200 SMA, but now look at your 100 SMA and your 50. Everything now is rolling over. And if this does play out to be a bear flag, then this is very possible that we're going to retest this 63.64 here now. So, but don't get excited. Always just trade the chart. And if it holds, long as it holds this 66.80, then you're fine. Now, if this price goes up and gets back above this 21, well, that would negate the bear flag pattern. Let's take a look here on the weekly and the monthly. Okay, here on your weekly, always watch this key. This is 67.36. This is your 200 SMA. That is going to be very, very key support. And obviously, if it's lost, then we look here at 65.38. Here, your 64.36, and then your big retest there at 63.64. But just watch this key 200 SMA here for support. I don't see what this 8 SMA is doing here. See how that's rolling back over again? It could not get through. But look where the price is and look where the 8-day is. See how that runs right on up there? And just see, this is why you trade the charts, because now you know where it's going. Okay, so you just go level to level. Now, if you can get higher, close above that 71.77, then we'll look at the top of this candle here. You're looking at 73.28. We're looking here at 73.55, and then 74.70 is your target there on your 21 SMA. And then above that, you have 81.15. But look how this 8 SMA is just coming right on down. See, that's really not a good look for a like a bullish sign here. This is just looking very bearish here now, where everything is below the SMAs. You always want everything above. So here on the monthly chart, you want to look here. This is 66.05. That's your 50 SMA here, and then we look at your 200 SMA sitting at 72.73. Okay, so that would be your trading range there on your monthly chart. And obviously, if you can get above, then we look to 75.74, your 8 SMA, and then your 85.49. But when you look at this weekly chart here, see it just doesn't look good. You topped out here, you put in the lower high, and it's just holding all the way down. But I don't like how all these SMAs here now are just curving down. That's never good. But just watch this key 67.36. That's going to be very critical level for our retest. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. All right, natty gas. Now, when you look here, so far we've had 3 green candles here. So, it's trying to work it like a circus monkey here. There's no question. The key is this price channel. Okay, 2.685. You need to close above that. On the bottom is 2.136, and then your target would be this right here. So even on these SMAs here now you're starting to get ahead where all these are just crowding. See, okay, so you got 2.37. Okay, you got 2.27, 2.33, 2.31. All these are just on top of each other, almost making like a straight kind of a line here. So they're just it just scalps here. Basically, I'm scalping the Boyle now, BOIL. Last couple days here, I'm trading 10,000 shares here. So, if I can I'm looking just to get, anywhere from 10 to 25 cents on that, and that's a pretty good day on the natural gas. Until you can actually do something here, there really isn't much. I wish I could give you more here, on the run here, but it's just sideways action. But just always remember, this is a big base here, and when stuff bases, no matter what it is, and when she breaks out, it rips big time. So always keep that in mind. So, but what it needs is a catalyst, some kind of a disruption, something that that's going to take natty gas either higher or lower. And I'm looking at probably higher here through the end of the summer here. We've got to just take a look. All right, I'll have more for you this after pit close on crude oil and natural gas. And then stop by right around 12:30. I always have midday trading. All right, thanks for watching.